In the world of automotive oddities, few vehicles stand out as distinctly as the Octo-Rod, an 8-wheeled custom creation that defies conventional automotive design. This remarkable vehicle first gained attention in December 2010 when it appeared on eBay with a $4,900 price tag. The car's origins trace back to Illinois, where an unknown builder invested approximately $100,000 in its construction during the 1980s. The Octo-Rod features a robust frame constructed from 2-inch square-section steel tubes, ensuring exceptional structural integrity. Its body is crafted from thick fiberglass, strong enough to support a person's weight without damage. Power comes from 2 Mazda 12A rotary engines, specially adapted to create a 4-rotor configuration using MSD S200 ignition and Holy fuel pump systems. These engines are mated to Jaguar axles, GM front suspension components, and Corvette steering column, while 8 disc brakes provide stopping power. Measuring impressively wide at 1x4 protrusive, the vehicle showcases gullwing doors that weigh significantly, making them challenging to open manually. The dashboard presents a complex array of lights and dials, though many serve purely decorative purposes, according to Kevin Letts, who witnessed its construction as a child. After its eBay sale, the Octo-Rod resurfaced in 2020, appearing in Facebook photos showing it in need of restoration. Angel Motorsports acquired the vehicle, planning significant upgrades, including converting the carbureted powertrain to fuel injection and improving the gearbox. Despite its weight issues, particularly the 130 kilograms front cover, the Octo-Rod remains a testament to do-it-yourself engineering spirit. Today, enthusiasts eagerly await its revival, hoping to see this unique creation return to operational status while maintaining its distinctive character and historical significance.